looks very flat. We made it to Phoenix! Taylor's excited to see us. Oh, sorry, Scottsdale. Wait, where are the rabbits? Oh, I thought they were real rabbits. Rodeo time. Bull riding time in Cave Creek, Arizona. We just got Dutch Brothers muffin top. We are heading back home, and we had a really fun time in Arizona. We stopped in a little town called Desert Center, and we're on our way home. Had a lot of fun. We found out there's a lot of Burger Kings in Arizona, a lot of storage places, and a lot of Dunkin' Donuts. Overall, really fun place to visit. Definitely recommend it for anyone that would like to try something different. A lot of cool bars to go to if you're into that kind of thing. Art museums, botanical gardens, that kind of thing. So highly recommend if you're looking for somewhere to go. Try Phoenix, Arizona, and the surrounding areas like Scottsdale. I think you'll like it.